Hi learners, welcome back to SoftDigix Learnings. In this tutorial, we will learn about MS Paint tool. Paint tool is the basic tool for graphic design, which will help the kids to start their digital drawings. Let's start now.
First, let us start with introduction about this tool. MS Paint tool is Windows-based basic drawing tool. Kids can easily interact and draw various images using this tool. This tool helps to improve your basic drawing skills and also helps to understand how to use tools in system. Let us start learn Paint tool now. To start MS Paint tool, we need to follow these steps. First step, we need to click Start button from Windows and search Paint or click Paint tool to open dialog box. Paint tool will open with drawing area, or else to open new drawing area we need to click New button from the file menu. It will open with white space which is known as drawing area. We can create the images, shapes, lines, paintings and coloring in this drawing area. In next lesson, we will see about MS Paint tools and colors. In this session, we will learn about toolbox and color box used in MS Paint. This is very important to draw your pictures. MS Paint software used various kinds of tools to draw simple drawing and graphics works. Let us see one by one. First one is selection tool. It is used to select the object to move or edit. We can use it by select the shapes and options. Selection shapes is used for rectangular and free form selections, and options used for select all and transparent selection. Next is rotate and resize tool. It is used to select the object to rotate and resize the images. Pencil tool. This tool helps to draw free form diagrams. Fill with color. This tool helps to fill the foreground or background color in selected area. Eraser. This tool used to erase the part of image and fill with background color. Text tool. This tool used to insert the text in text box. Color picker. This is used to pick the color from picture to drawings. Magnifier. It is used to zoom in or out for selected picture. Brushes. It provides different kind brushes to draw and painting. Shape tool. This tool provides ready-made shapes like circle, rectangle, line, star, etc., which helps to draw different shapes in drawings. We can change the stroke using outline and size tool. Okay kids, we are now ready to start drawing using these tools. Come, let us start some drawings and projects using these tools and colors now. Hi kids, we hope you enjoy this session. Try more diagrams in your system and share with your friends. Next lessons, we will see some drawing projects using Paint. Thank you.
Are you ready? Let's start now.
To learn more, kindly subscribe us. Thank you all. Happy learnings.